Contrary to popular belief, tape is very much alive. In fact, last 2017, in a technology demonstration, IBM and Sony were able to record 330 terabytes of data in a single cartridge. This is far dense than what we have now on the LTO-8, which is 12 terabytes in a cartridge. This proves that tape has a strong roadmap given that commercial tape offerings grow double in terms of capacity in every generation. So it's still a long way to go to reach 330 terabytes. Also, the use cases of tapes has evolved over the years from just doing backup and restore. It is now also used for data archiving, long-term data retention, and cyber resiliency with the fact that tapes are natural air gaps. Data archiving for long-term retention has never been easier with tapes. With Linear Tape File System, or LTFS, a user can read and write data on tape cartridges in a USB key or a flash drive fashion. LTFS is an open platform, and IBM deploys LTFS through its software called IBM Spectrum Archive. And can you believe it? IBM Spectrum Archive single drive and library editions are available free of charge. This will allow users to stretch valuable production storage capacity by archiving call data for long-term retention to tapes. I can compare the use of tapes to MRE, which soldiers bring to battle. MRE stands for Meal Ready to Eat. Tapes are ready, easy, and simple to use. Looking back 20 years ago, I can say that tape technology has come a long way. It had some technological challenges that have already been surpassed. Let me share with you some of tape's historical challenges and how it was naturally surpassed with its progression. First is capacity. LTO-8 is generally more than adequate to back up common workloads today with 12 terabytes in a single cartridge. Compared to the LTO-1, one LTO-8 tape cartridge is equivalent to 120 LTO-1 cartridges. Contrary to using multiple cartridges for just one backup job, backup dataset or maybe even multiple backup datasets can now be stored on a single LTO-8 cartridge. Performance. From a performance perspective, a full-height LTO-8 tape drive can have a sustained data rate of 360 megabytes per second. Comparing against hard drives, a standard 7200 RPM hard disk can do around 160 megabytes per second. So, tapes can read or write big files at more than twice the speed of high-capacity hard disks. Let's talk about tape handling. This is related to the capacity challenge. Tape handling was a challenge before LTO-8, but with 12 terabytes per cartridge, there are far less cartridges to manage now. Considering the IBM PS4300 tape library, wherein the base unit can contain 40 cartridges, it can already store up to 480 terabytes of uncompressed data in the base frame alone. Now, let's consider that it can be upgraded to store and manage up to 280 tape cartridges, which is equivalent to 3.36 petabytes of data uncompressed. But with 2.5:1 data compression, it can actually store up to 8.4 petabytes of data within that same library. With this scalability, there would hardly be a need to remove cartridges from the library to accommodate and manage more data. For customers requiring larger capacity management, we can help as well with the IBM PS4500 tape library. This library can scale up to 128 tape drives, which can be a mix of IBM enterprise drives or LTO drives. Its cartridge slots can also scale up to 17,000 slots for the enterprise platform or up to 23,000 slots for the LTO platform. Just imagine, we're talking about petabytes and exabytes of scalability here. So I can say tape handling is no longer a challenge. Both data verification and data migration were previous challenges as well. But both of these challenges can now be addressed by IBM technologies today. So with the IBM TS4500 tape library, data verification of cartridges can be automated running in the background without affecting any of the production, backup, and restore jobs. Also, with IBM Spectrum Scale and Spectrum Archive Enterprise Edition, tapes can be grouped into data pools, which can enable automated tape data migration from generation to generation. These points prove that tape is the cheapest platform today and can easily be deployed to protect data.